Okay, so for this assignment, I decided to play the game that I talked about in the last discussion, Joust. As I've said before, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this game. I mean, it's simplistic, yet oddly fun, and a bit annoying at times, which you will see. Oh, I'm glad and not as well to play this game again. I mean, just look at this. This weird looking opening here. Whoa. What is with that sound? Alright, flappers control. Alright. Got one. Oh. Alright, so you grab points by catching the eggs, by beating these guys, and jumping on their heads. Typical kinda Mario kinda situation we got here. Whoa! It went up to space. Oh. Great. And I love how the ostrich, I think, just walks away. What is that noise? As you can see, there's a lot of unnecessary noises that are going on here. And it seems to have a wave structure. It's interesting. It's like, how did I die? If only they could cut down on this. Come on, let's do this. Or not. Now you see why I have a love-hate. Oh, we're still going in. We're still in this. We're still in this. Oh, there's also a few bugs with that happening. Thy game is over. But, yeah. You see how this game is. It's simplistic, and as you can see, it has a weird Doom-like aesthetic. It's got a real gloomy red and brown saturated area. You've got lava pits that you can tell because they're tiny, bubbling right there. And your character, well, you're this nameless knight? Question mark? Oh look, he exploded. On a ostrich? Question mark? Because ostriches cannot fly. But you're really not given much context in this game at all. Not that many games around this era really did. You're just kind of plopped into this weird situation and just kind of gotta deal with it. It's just a simple enter wave fashion. Kill the enemies before they kill you kind of thing. You can understand that. Story, just like the character, nothing is explained here. Everyone's on birds, everyone's trying to jump on each other's head. The sound effects are hell of annoying. But it seems you also get your points through jumping on them initially, and if you grab the eggs that they drop when you kill them, that's how you get points. Simple, sort of arcade-style stuff, and I died. But basically, this also kind of, with the wave structure, it reminds me of games like zombie survival games. Like Left 4 Dead and Call of Duty Zombies, I believe, with a wave structure and trying to survive as long as you can. It's an interesting concept. I mean, Joust is just one of those interesting basic games from a very simple era. It's got a simple premise. You don't do much. I mean, you just jump and move around, or flap and move around. And that's it, really. But God, I love and hate this game for many reasons. And it can be annoyingly hard, much like many games from this era can be. But that's all he wrote.